Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here, co-founder and trader of NDC Trading Academy with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, April the 13th. Let's go to our news items for the day. Nothing on the docket for today or tomorrow so far, at least as early this morning on Monday morning, there's nothing. Our reports start again on Wednesday. Retail sales, and of course the big one, it's on Thursday every week coming up. From now on, is unemployment claims. They're assuming about 5 million more unemployed Americans. So we'll see how that goes this week. Let's quickly jump to our analysis here with our trade charts. And here we go. Market seems to have recovered quite a bit from our down day back here on March 23rd. We're almost 10 days away from the even month. Market has found resistance. Remember, we're fighting the resistance against the SMA 20 here. And like I clearly spelled out to you the last time, once we remain above this 20 SMA, we should see some continuation to the upside. Our next significant support, of course, resistance is going to be right here at this 50 SMA. Very significant place. And let me tell you why. If we draw a retracement from the drop to the bottom here, we're currently actually at 50% retracement from this drop. So nothing says that the market cannot move any lower. A lot of the signs that we need to see in order to start, having a recovery here are beginning to happen, but there's still a very fluid situation. We still have, although the curve of new cases has beginning to stabilize, particularly in large urban areas like New York City and Los Angeles, which is important, there's still a long way to go here. So there could still be some potential to move lower. Now remember, the 61% retracement is up here. Once we break that, then we're talking about potential continued recovery. But then we have this resistance up here with the 200 SMA and the 80. So those are our next levels here. Now remember, we can always retrace from here, and what we were using as resistance before, which is a 20 SMA, can start to become support. So those are the things to keep an eye on. But remember, that's a long-term view of what we can expect. We're day traders, so we're keeping eyes on the prize, which is what's happening right before our very eyes, so that we can take advantage of it in the short term. Market continues on a trend to the upside, breaking a very clear support level here. Remember, these resistance and support levels that we have been talking about for a long time. This is our resistance level. Remember that. This was our support level. Market was continuing to push against that and couldn't continue, and eventually it broke clearly through. There we see market continuing once again to move to the upside. Now, let's take a closer look at one of our time periods, which is closer to our trade chart here, so that we can see exactly where we are. This is Thursday's close. This is the intraday high, which in the pre-market we kind of broke through temporarily, broke clearly down. We do have a slight gap up here, which the market may want to fill sometime today. You can see it clearly right here. It's a clear gap that we have here, so the market can be heading towards that direction in order to try to fill it. Now, as you see, the market was in a slight compression here. Earlier this morning. As you can see, market clearly breaks into compression, continuing to the upside here. So we're expecting the market to continue to the upside as long as we remain above this blue line here. This is our north-south line here. This is what continues to show us whether the market will be moving in which direction. Now, that doesn't mean we can't trade this here and you move from here to here. It's a tradable trade. Remember that. But remember, we're expecting this area to hold, the market to potentially move higher. Clear breakthrough here, then we're just expecting continuation here to come to retest this low here. So that's what we're looking at right now. Right now, we're expecting continuation to the upside, and these are our areas that we're expecting a shift in that direction. Finally, our trade chart here, which can pretty much illustrate exactly what I just finished saying. Where are we here? Let's go to our trade chart here. And as you can see, there we are. There's yesterday's break. This is our gap. This is our intraday high and low. Market is opening between two areas. We're expecting the market to continue higher as long as it remains above this blue line here. Have a great trading session. Let me know if you have any questions.